Picture this. You're peacefully sleeping in your manufactured home when suddenly, a deafening crack jolts you awake. The walls are shaking, and your heart is racing. But here's the twist. What you're about to learn in this video could have prevented this nightmare scenario entirely. Stay tuned, because this might be the most important information you'll hear about manufactured home safety. If you're concerned about manufactured home safety or considering a manufactured home, smash that like button and subscribe to join our community of manufactured homeowners. Drop a comment below sharing your manufactured home experiences. We'd love to hear from you. Now, let's dive into the shocking truth about manufactured home safety. Did you know that modern manufactured homes are actually 75% less likely to experience serious structural damage during extreme weather compared to homes built before 1976? That's right, we're busting myths and dropping knowledge bombs about these incredible engineered structures. Let's explore why these homes might be safer than you think. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. The term mobile home technically only applies to homes built before 1976. After that, the HUD code revolutionized the industry, introducing rigorous safety standards that transformed these dwellings into what we now call manufactured homes. This isn't just a simple name change, it represents a complete overhaul in construction quality and safety protocols. Think about it like this. Pre-1976 mobile homes were built with varying standards, kind of like the Wild West of housing. Some manufacturers followed strict guidelines, while others, well, let's just say they took a more creative approach to construction standards. Each state had different rules, creating a patchwork of regulations that left homeowners vulnerable. The HUD code changed everything by introducing a standardized nationwide building code specifically for factory-built homes. These new standards covered everything from fire resistance and structural design to energy efficiency and plumbing systems. It's like going from a bicycle to a Tesla, that's how big the upgrade was. The safety requirements got so comprehensive that manufacturers had to employ specialized inspectors just to keep up. These inspectors examine every aspect of construction, from the thickness of the walls to the spacing of electrical outlets. Each home gets a special certification label, like a birth certificate that proves it meets all federal standards. Here's something that will blow your mind. Manufactured homes must undergo wind resistance testing that many traditional site-built homes aren't required to face. In hurricane-prone regions, these homes are engineered to withstand winds up to 150 miles per hour. That's equivalent to a Category 4 hurricane. Still think these homes are flimsy? Think again. Let's talk about fire safety, because this is where manufactured homes truly shine. Every home must have 2 exterior doors and specifically sized bedroom windows designed for emergency escapes. Plus, they're required to have smoke detectors and fire-resistant materials in critical areas. But wait, there's more, much more. The electrical systems in manufactured homes are actually held to higher standards than many site-built homes. Hard to believe, right? Every electrical connection must be tested before the home leaves the factory. That's a level of quality control that traditional home builders can only dream about. No wonder electrical fires are less common in properly maintained manufactured homes. Now, here's a fascinating tidbit that might surprise you. Manufactured homes are built in controlled factory environments, which means every nail, every screw, and every joint is placed with precision that's hard to achieve on a traditional construction site. Think about it, would you rather have your home built in unpredictable weather conditions or in a climate-controlled facility with strict quality controls? Imagine your home being built like a high-end car, moving down an assembly line where specialized teams focus on specific tasks. One crew expertly frames the structure, while another team installs electrical systems with laser precision. No rushing through jobs because of approaching storms, no materials warping from sitting in the rain. These factory environments maintain perfect temperature and humidity levels that would make a museum curator jealous. This means your lumber stays dry, adhesives cure properly, and insulation maintains its optimal properties. It's like a spacecraft cleanroom meets a construction site, resulting in superior build quality. Speaking of quality control, each station on the assembly line has multiple checkpoints. Inspectors verify everything from stud spacing to wire connections before the home moves forward. If something isn't perfect, it gets fixed immediately. No cutting corners, no tomorrow fixes, just pure precision craftsmanship. Picture this. While traditional home builders are battling weather delays and coordinating multiple subcontractors, your manufactured home is being assembled by teams who work together daily, using the same proven processes. They're not just builders, they're specialists who perfect their craft through repetition and precision. Let's address the elephant in the room: foundation safety. Your manufactured home is only as secure as what it sits on. Professional installation on a proper foundation can make your home as sturdy as any site-built structure. In fact, improper installation is the leading cause of safety issues, not the home's construction. This is why choosing a qualified installer is absolutely crucial. Speaking of installation, here's a little-known fact that could save you thousands. Most states require licensed installers to follow specific protocols, including anchoring systems that secure your home to the ground. These anchors are engineering marvels, designed to keep your home stable during severe weather events. Skip this step, and you might as well be building a house of cards. Now, let's dive into maintenance, because this is where many homeowners drop the ball. Your home's tie-downs and anchoring system should be inspected annually. It's like getting a health checkup for your home. Ignore it, and small issues can snowball into major problems. Trust me, prevention is always cheaper than repairs. Water damage is the silent enemy of any home, but manufactured homes have some unique vulnerabilities you need to know about. The good news? They also have some impressive built-in defenses. Modern manufactured homes feature moisture barriers and ventilation systems that would make traditional homebuilders jealous. But you need to know how to maintain them properly. Here's a secret that the construction industry doesn't want you to know. Manufactured homes often use more lumber per square foot than site-built homes. This extra material creates a robust structure that can actually outperform traditional homes in certain conditions. It's like having a reinforced skeleton protecting everything you hold dear. Let's talk about insulation, because it's not just about staying cozy. Proper insulation plays a crucial role in structural integrity by preventing moisture buildup and maintaining temperature stability. Modern manufactured homes use advanced insulation materials that create an impressive thermal envelope. This means better energy efficiency and improved structural longevity. The roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements, and manufactured home roofs are engineered with some impressive features. They're designed to handle snow loads in northern climates and intense heat in southern regions. But here's the catch. You need to know the warning signs of roof stress before problems develop. Here's something that might shock you. The steel frames used in manufactured homes are often stronger than the foundations of many site-built homes. These frames are engineered to support your home during transportation, which means they're built to handle stress levels that traditional homes never encounter. Talk about over-engineering for safety. Storm safety is a hot topic, and manufacturers have really stepped up their game. Modern homes come with enhanced wind zones, specialized tie-down systems, and reinforced windows. But there's a catch. You need to know your home's wind zone rating and ensure it matches your area's requirements. This isn't just bureaucratic red tape. It's about keeping you safe when Mother Nature throws a tantrum. Let's get real about air quality, because this is where science gets personal. Manufactured homes must meet strict ventilation requirements that many site-built homes don't. This means better air circulation, reduced moisture buildup, and a healthier living environment. But only if you maintain your ventilation system properly. Here's a mind-bending fact. The quality control process for manufactured homes involves multiple inspections at different stages of construction. Each home gets a data plate listing critical safety information, including its wind zone rating, roof load capacity, and heating and cooling specifications. It's like having your home's DNA report right at your fingertips. The plumbing systems in manufactured homes are engineered differently than site-built homes, and this can actually be a huge advantage. They're designed for efficiency and accessibility, making repairs easier and leaks less likely. But there's a crucial maintenance schedule you need to follow to keep everything flowing smoothly. Let's talk about doors and windows, because they're more than just entry points. In manufactured homes, they're engineered as part of the structural support system. Each opening is reinforced to maintain the home's integrity, and the placement is carefully calculated to ensure optimal safety during severe weather events. Pretty impressive engineering, right? Ready for a bombshell? The materials used in manufactured homes undergo testing that would make traditional builders sweat. Every component must meet strict fire resistance standards, and the assembly methods are designed to create a unified structure that works together under stress. It's like having a home that's wearing a suit of armor. Weather resistance isn't just about standing up to storms. It's about creating a protective envelope that shields you from whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Modern manufactured homes use advanced sealants and construction techniques that create an impressive barrier against the elements. But you need to know how to maintain this protection to keep your home safe.